guys, welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. It's a vegan month, the month of July. I'm going to be making vegan recipes only and vegetable recipes, and it's going to be ending at the end of this month. And comes August, I'll start making my regular Jamaican and all that kind of dishes. Once in a while I'm going to chip in a little vegan this and a little vegan that, and a little vegetarian this and a little vegetarian that when you guys request it. But I'm going to go back to cooking my traditional Jamaican meals starting August 1st. Now this one is another simple smoothie that I'm going to make. It has tons of energy, which I need. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I'm going to make this up. So if you want to see how I make this one up, come on and let's go. Okay guys, so this one is really simple. I'm going to be using one banana in here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put my bananas in. Well, I'm just going to use one banana because I make a shake just for me and the honey nut. You could use cashew nuts, you could use peanuts, whatever kind of nut that you want to use, you could use it. I'm using almond nuts in here. I'm also going to add a half a cup of oats. I'm also going to be substituting any sugar at all. So if you're diabetic, you can also drink this. I'm going to be using raisins in here, and I'm going to add a half a cup of raisins. That raisin's going to give me the sweetness that I need. And if you want to put honey, you could put honey. I'm also going to put some vanilla. I'm going to put a teaspoon of vanilla in here as well. And of course, I'm going to add my half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and half a teaspoon of allspice. So we'll go ahead and dump that in as well. And to this, guys, I'm going to be using my coconut milk. And you could use almond milk, rice milk, soy milk, and it tastes just as good. So I'm going to put like half of this in here. I'll put about like 2 cups of milk in here, and that's all I'm going to put in here. I'm just going to go ahead and put my lid on, and I'm going to blend away and smooth this out. So here I have it, guys. I'm all done. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to go ahead and pour this out in here, and there you have it. Yummy, yum, 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 yum. So there you have it, guys. I'm all done. I hope you enjoyed it. It is so easy to make and it tastes amazing. Alright guys, another vegan smoothie for you. Give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share. Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking next. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.